Rise up, start fresh, see the bright opportunity in each new day. Prayer is the key of the morning and bolt of the evening. Even if you are a minority of one, the truth is the truth. A no uttered from the deepest conviction is better than a yes merely uttered to please or worse to avoid trouble. A spiritual relationship is far more precious than physical. Physical relationship divorced from spiritual is body without soul. The greatness of a nation can be judged by the way its animals are treated. Nobody should be able to hurt you without your permission. Anger and intolerance are the enemies of correct understanding. A coward is capable of exhibiting love. It is the prerogative of the brave. If patience is worth anything, it must endure to the end of the time, and a living faith will last in the midst of the blackest storm. A year from now, you will wish you had started today. Remember, you are perfect, utterly perfect. The only time you should ever look back is to see how far you have gone. The only time you should ever look back is to see how far you have come. Push harder than yesterday if you want a different tomorrow. There are just two words that stands between you, happiness, and the life of your dreams. Your very existence is vital to the universe. The life of your dreams starts with one powerful thought, and then another and another. Base the majority of your thoughts, words, and actions in believing, and the law of attraction must obey them. Never give up on your efforts. Wisdom cannot be acquired with money. It can only be acquired through living life. You would get what you focus on. Gratitude turns a horrible day into an amazing one. There is nothing more important than repaying kindness. There is nothing more important than repaying kindness. Seize any amount of progress. It's a win. The world loves those with a generous spirit. be a good person, but don't waste your time trying to prove it. Appreciate people with good energy. Appreciate people with good energy. Women are the real architects of society. Strong women don't have attitudes, they have standards. Nothing in life is to be feared, it is only to be understood. Normalize, not oversharing. Normalize, not overselling. Everyone is not your friend. A fake friend is worse than an enemy. Prosperity is your birthright. The more you practice gratitude, the more deeply you will feel it in your heart, and the depth of feeling is the key. Make decisions for yourself and do not follow the opinions or actions of others. You must learn to tune yourself to the harmony of the universe. Speak less and you will see more. Speak less and you will see more. Good luck.